Hi, this is Mr. Jones. Welcome to Computer Apps 1. I'll be your instructor for this course. I've created this course so that you can do everything for the class online. There are a few changes from those students that have taken this course before. We have a completely new training site. A lot of things are different, but they're going to be a lot better. Let me go over how to navigate through this course, how to get started, and a couple key points that you're going to want to make sure you're aware of. I'm assuming that you've already been able to open up Canvas and you went over to the side and you've been able to find your course, Computer Apps 1. Now let's just take a look at this. Everything you're going to need to know is pretty much in the syllabus or in the lessons. For my class, you will find everything you need from the home button. So the welcome to class video is what you're watching now. When you're done with this video, you're going to answer some questions and it will automatically grade it. If you didn't get the perfect score on it, go back and retake the test questions or the quiz questions until you get all the points. Go through, do the class survey. When you're done with that, you'll click submit and then answer a question and it'll give you a point. So make sure you do everything in the course in order on this list. So let's go down to the first actual homework type assignment you're going to have, Learning Computer Basics. When you click on this, it's going to open up this link to this site. This is a free tutorial site. You're going to go through the introduction, what is a computer. You're going to go through all of these in order. When you get done to number 19 and you're done with that, you can go ahead and click on the quiz. You're going to go through and take this quiz. You need to retake this quiz multiple times till you get 100%. Now this is how you're going to turn this in. So let's say you're finished with the quiz and it shows your quiz score. You need to have your quiz score shown on this screen. So it needs to have the computer basics and quiz. You're going to go down. Let me move this window just a little bit so you can see down at the bottom. I'm going to go down to here where it says search windows. I'm going to type snip. So you're going to look for the snipping tool. Here it is. And you're going to click on new. And when you click on new, you didn't see me click on it, but you're going to click on new. It grayed out your screen. You're going to be able to come over here to the part where it says Computer Basics Quiz and your score. So I'm just pretending the score's here. It's not actually on this screen, but I'm going to take this snip. And now you have a copy of your screen. Again, yours is going to have your quiz score showing 100%. You're going to save this, do a save as, save it to your desktop. So choose desktop, and you could do something like Computer Basics Quiz. You'll save it. I'm going to close out of this, move this back up here so you can see Canvas. Then I'm going to go into here where it says Learning Computer Basics. I'm going to scroll down, or go actually up to here where it says Submit Assignment, and I'm going to choose the file. And the file I'm going to choose is that file I just saved, Computer Basics Quiz. Click Open. Alright, so there it is. It linked the file to Computer Basics Quiz, which was the screen capture of the score I just got, and I'm going to click Submit Assignment. When you do that, it'll send that to me. I'll look at it and make sure that you did it, give you the appropriate points for it, and then you'll have a score in your grades for learning computer basics. When you're done with that assignment is due August 24th. The next one's due August 31st. You're going to go through and go through the internet safety. Same thing. You're going to go in here, read the directions. You're going to go to that link, and then you're going to snip your score and turn it in. This one is very similar, but you see here it's for internet safety. Alright, so let's go back here. For the first several weeks, you're going to do lots of different assignments. You're going to do Google. You're going to do what is Microsoft 365. But once you're finished with that, there's going to be a unit that's Microsoft Word. Now this is where things are going to get exciting. Microsoft Word unit is basically a test prep for the Microsoft Word certification, which is recognized globally. Now, what does that mean? That means that when you're done with Word, you will go to a testing center and a computer near you. So, for example, we might have one at Soldotna High School, one at Kenai, one at Seward, one at Homer, and we're going to try to set that up from those of you that are in the remote schools that you have access to go to a testing center. You're going to take an exam very similar to the practice final exam you're going to take during the training, and you're going to take a 50-minute test to test your skills in Microsoft Word. So really exciting. When you pass that, you will get a certificate, and you will be nationally recognized as a Microsoft expert in Microsoft Word. Great thing for a resume, great thing for future employment. So let's go back here. Start at the very beginning, work your way through, get these assignments done as fast as you can. The next one in the list, I'm going to leave the student view so you can see the rest of them, is the Microsoft Word 2016. Again, this is how you're going to go through the program we're going to use. It's called Jasper Active to do the assignments. You're actually going to be doing these in Microsoft Word, which brings up a very important point. If you're on a Mac, you cannot take this class. You have to be on a Windows-based computer. You can't do this on a tablet. It has to have Windows, and it's going to have Jasper Active installed to it. So if you're a Connection student, you'll have to use one of the Dell computers they have there, either a laptop or a desktop. If you're in Sohi or Kenai, Homer, Seward, or wherever, you'll have to use a computer that has Windows with the full version of Microsoft Office installed. Now, if you don't have it, we have this option here, Microsoft Office at Home. Now, this is really cool. Every one of the students can go to this site, and it'll teach you how to get Microsoft Office downloaded at home to your home computer for free. So, getting Microsoft Office at home is not going to be a problem. If you're on a school computer, Microsoft Office will be on that school computer. If you're on a Connections computer, you may have to take it in and just get it updated to the newest version. Alright, so I think I went over everything you're going to need for this course. Again, if you don't have a PC computer with Windows on it, you're going to want to talk to your counselor to either find a computer or you're going to have to drop out of this class. So, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me, and I look forward to working with you.